How search works, outside the box. Ever wonder what kind of work goes into bringing you search results? In this short series, we're looking to look at search, outside of the box. Words in the index. When out crawling the web, Mojikbot meets a large quantity of text, which ends up being stored in the Mojik index. In order to create a search index that can be easily queried, some processes have to be undertaken. Hopefully by understanding these transformations a bit better, you'll become a more efficient and more informed seeker. The text is tokenized. When you or I read a sentence, we see a sequence of words which conveys some kind of whole meaning, or in the case of some people's writing, no meaning at all. The search engine doesn't look at it this way, seeing text rather as a group of lexical tokens, strings which have an assigned meaning. Tokenization is the process by which eats, shoots, and leaves has the commas removed in order to store it in an index as separate words. A comma is not a useful piece of information for the process of search. It is also the method by which a user agent and a user agent with a hyphen are considered to be the same thing. The text is normalized. There are many ways of writing things which have exactly the same meaning. We can say the watch is $100, all words, or $100, a symbol and a number, or $100, a number and a word. And in all three of these cases we're referring to the same thing. We also want capital J John, lowercase John, and all capital letters John, and any other non-standard capitalizations to be stored in the index in a way that means they are the same thing. Normalization allows for matching regardless of these different ways of writing things. The text is stemmed. Stemming refers to reducing words down to their roots in order to allow for matching across different ways of writing the same word. These roots don't even need to be actual words. The Porter stemming algorithm reduces argue, argued, argues, and arguing down to argu, argu, allowing any of these words in a query to bring up a page which uses any of the others. A really simple example is a plural like apple and apples, which is why if you want to find a recipe or the company, more terms are always a good idea. Recipe apples or apple Tim Cook.